Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor's custom code feature. This powerful tool allows you to add custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript directly to your WordPress site without editing theme files, giving you greater control over your website's functionality and design. Let's walk through how to access and enable this feature. First, you'll want to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Simply open your browser, navigate to your site's admin URL, which is typically your domain, followed by /wp-admin, and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the main WordPress dashboard where all your site management tools are located. Now let's navigate to the Elementor settings. Look over to the left sidebar where all your WordPress menus are displayed, locate and click on the Elementor menu. This is where you'll find all of Elementor's features and settings that control how your page builder operates. Clicking on it will expand a submenu with several options tailored specifically for Elementor's functionality. From the Elementor submenu that appears, select Custom Code. This option takes you to the interface where you can manage and add custom code snippets to your website. The custom code feature is designed to streamline the process of adding personalized code without the need to access your theme's files directly, which makes it both safer and more convenient for users who want to implement advanced customizations. However, here's an important point to note. In order to enable the custom code feature, you need to upgrade or pay for it. This feature is part of Elementor's Pro version, which means it's not available in the free version of the plugin. To unlock it, you'll need to purchase an Elementor Pro subscription. The investment gives you access to this feature along with many other premium tools that enhance your website building capabilities, including advanced widgets, theme builder options, and pop-up builder functionality. Once you've upgraded to Elementor Pro, you'll be able to fully utilize the custom code feature to add snippets that enhance your site's performance, styling, or functionality exactly as you need. And that's how you access and enable Elementor's custom code feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.